In this video we're going to tighten up the grub screws on the feed clutch, which is behind this rear cover of the machine. And the drive feed clutch is attached to this end of the feed roller bar. So if with your machine it's been feeding fine, but then all of a sudden it seems like these rollers aren't turning at all, chances are, especially if it's a new machine, that the grub screws have just come undone. So to get to that, looking at the back of the machine here like this, we're just going to undo 4 screws. So one there, one there, the other 2 are actually on the inside of the frame. Oops, can you get that? So that one there, and the other one is just there. So undo all 4 of those and the back cover will come off. So there's the back of the machine. So this is the feed clutch. See the gear there. So if you turn the rollers there, if you turn the feed rollers by hand, you should see down there. So we're just looking down there between the clutch, and you should see the grub screws turning round. So difficult to see. So there's one there. Can't see. So there's one, and there is the other one. So there's only usually 2 holding it on. The Allen key you need for that is this very small one, so it's a 1.5mm Allen key, and basically just tighten up those 2 grub screws, because the chances are one, if not both of them, have slackened off slightly, and then put your back cover back on, and that should solve the issue of these feed tyres not turning. The other thing to check is just check this end here. There is a there's a bar, you can see it there. So that T-bar fits in slot at the end of the bar. So just make sure that that's engaged into the slot properly as well.